G here from OG Creations. Happy holidays to you and yours. There are 13 steps to creating these pendulous plums. I soak a white 95% modal cotton, 5% spandex brief in Dharma Trading Company's Orchid dye overnight. They are rinsed completely. Crumpling the briefs on dye racks, I apply a 2-to-1 bleached water solution for 15 to 25 minutes. I then soak the briefs in a 10-to-1 water to peroxide solution for 10 to 15 minutes, and then directly into cold water between 2 to 4 hours. Finally, they get a soda ash bath for 20 to 25 minutes and then are placed back on the dye racks for 12 to 24 hours until practically dry. Crumpling the briefs again, I covered them in Dharma Trading Company's powdered pink liquid dye. And then apply dry dye powders in the shades of Plum, Deep Purple, and Imperial Purple. I top each with a layer of soda ash. They are then covered in ice and set aside for 24 to 48 hours. They are rinsed thoroughly in cold water and then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. They are dried completely, ironed, inventoried, and then shipped from my dye-covered hands to cover your hairy ass. What a tasty treat! When you're all snug in your bed, I'm sure you'll have visions of these sugared plums dancing in your head. Enjoy your holidays with your friends and loved ones. Make memories, and make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.